Welcome. If you want to make your Instagram profile more discoverable and connect with more people, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable account suggestions on your Instagram profile using your PC following the latest update. This feature helps others find accounts similar to yours, making your profile more visible and helping you grow your network. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log in with your username and password if you haven't already. Once you're on the main Instagram page, look to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu with several icons. Click on your profile icon. It's usually your profile picture at the bottom of the menu. After clicking your profile icon, you'll be taken to your own Instagram profile page. At the top of your profile, you'll see an option labeled Edit Profile. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a page where you can change your profile information, bio, and other settings. Now, scroll down until you find the option that says Show Account Suggestions on Profiles. This setting allows Instagram to show your account as a suggestion on other profiles, and also lets you see suggested accounts when you visit other profiles. To enable it, simply click the checkbox next to this option so that it's marked. Once you've checked the box, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Submit to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully enabled account suggestions on your Instagram profile using your PC. With this feature turned on, your account can now appear as a suggestion to new people, helping you gain more followers and connect with a wider audience. If you ever want to turn it off, just follow these same steps and uncheck the box. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Instagram tips and updates. See you next time.